What's time saying in your life now that you are a social media user? How much of your day and your evening is it taking from you? And I want you to realize that some of us, when we have something nicked from our lives, we hop onto social media. Guys, have you seen my phone? Someone's nicked my phone. It's a Nokia, it's a Samsung. Wow, Nokia's old. It's an Apple. Or you say, my car's been nicked. It's a BMW, this is registration number plate, it's a black BMW. But now it's gone. So you go to social media to complain of thieves, not realizing that social media has been thieving from you for the last 10 years of the life, stealing the most precious thing that you have, and the irreplaceable one, that's called time. We have been the subject of daylight robbery. Think about it. That's most of us, I say. That's why a man like Dr. Calvin Newport, who was an associate professor at Georgetown University, he said that social media platforms have hired entertainment engineers who borrow their entertainment techniques from the LA casino gambling houses to make social media as addictive as possible. There's a whole psychotherapy, there's a whole psychology behind the design of social media, that notification, that sound, the color contrast, that red number that appears over that blue icon makes you feel that you want to check it. In fact, if I showed you my phone now and you saw a notification on my socials, you would want to check it for me. It's like, do you want to, sorry, what? Do you want to check your notifications? Yeah, but it's mine, it's not yours. That's what happens because it's highly addictive. It's highly entertaining. It's a slot machine that's been put onto your phone and you've installed onto your heart. Right? So time, what does that do to time? It usurps you, it saps you of your time. If we are not careful, that is. يا ابن آدم إنما أنت أيام فإذا ذهب يوم ذهب بعضك. Al-Hasan al-Basri, he said, O son of Adam, you are made up of days. Skin, bone, nerves? No, he said you're made up of days. So when a day from your life passes by, part of you has disappeared. Part of you has disappeared.
Please like, share and subscribe to the Digital Member YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. Please also like, share and subscribe to our Facebook and Twitter. Links in the description of this video.